Model 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC 27001.6 Cdti electrical fault engine is perfect. Body white, panel van. Mileage 136,639. Engine 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts and runs on easy start only. It has some sort of immobiliser issue. Easy, simple repair for the right person. Gearbox perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.